A recent paper used TCGA data to examine the differences between two esophageal subtypes, squamous cell carcinomas and adenocarcinomas, to better identify molecular subgroups for potential therapeutic targets. Squamous cell carcinomas typically occur in the upper esophagus and are associated with smoking and alcohol consumption. Meanwhile, adenocarcinomas are typically found closer to the esophageal stomach boundary and can be linked to obesity and gastric reflux. In this video, we will explore ways to use LANs to profile the differences in clinical associations between these two subtypes, as well as differential expression between squamous and adenocarcinoma subtypes. Finally, we will demonstrate how to use these analyses in LAN to examine similar cancer types such as head and neck and stomach cancers in their relation to these esophageal cancers.